Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. Today I am showing making the best super potting mix for the rose plant. So friends, you see I take gardening soil 50%, cow dung compost 20%, vermicompost 20%, sand 10%, any types. Bone meal or bone dust 5 tablespoons, horn meal 3 tablespoons, neem cake dust 5 tablespoons, and mustard cake powder 6 tablespoons. Now I will mix oil in this potting mix. After mixing the soil, we will sprinkle a small amount of water on this soil. Now we will leave this soil in a shady place for at least 15 days. And one thing to remember is to sprinkle a little water on this soil every 3 to 4 days. After 15 days, you see the soil mix ready to use for the rose plant. Friends, you see this is a 12-inch terracotta pot. Especially for rose plant, repotting required at least 10-inch pot. There are 4 holes at the bottom because of good drainage water. I am going to keep 4 broken terracotta chips for drainage holes because the soil should not come out of here. I am putting some coarse sand or pebbles at least a 1-inch layer at the bottom. Now I am putting all this soil mixture in this pot. Removing all the soil as maximum as possible from the root ball. I am putting the plant here in the center of the pot. Now we will fill the empty part of the pot with potting soil. While filling the pot, please also make sure that you keep a gap of at least 1 to 2 inches in between the top layer of the soil. Now press the soil very gently but do not very hard. This time I will give sufficient water to the pot. Now keep this pot, put it in a shady place at least for 7 days. Then after, placing the pot in full sunlight. So friends, I hope like this video very much, and if you like it, you must like, share, subscribe and also comment on this video in the comment section. So friends, I hope everyone will be fine and healthy. Thank you for happy gardening.